silent rings like a bell through the night. And when you love to love her, takes to the sky like a bird in flight. And who will be her lover? For your life you never seen a woman taken by the wind. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Would you ever win? Like a cat in the dark, she is in the darkness. She's a flight like a fine scarlet light. And when the sky is starless, for your life you never seen a woman taken by the wind. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Would you ever win? Will you ever win?
Well, hi there pluckers, I have a sore fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson. Sorry about that, that's warts and all. Okay, this is quite tricky, okay, to play and sing at the same time. This is obviously Rhiannon by Fleetwood Mac. I'm doing it standard tuning, no cappas, as done by Fleetwood Mac. And this is a simplified version, okay, this is not for you purists out there. I've tried to make it as simple as I can for a single acoustic guitar for somebody who's going to try and play and sing it at the same time, okay. So I'm sorry for those of you who wanted it absolutely as per the record, but don't forget there's probably more than one guitar on the record, okay. So let's get to it. So starting off with the intro, the way I played it, and I'm playing it with my fingers, okay. I'm not using a pick, I'm mainly using my thumb and two fingers for most of the song, and occasionally I'm doing some strumming with either the back end of my first finger, using the tip of the nail on the first finger there, or you could use your thumb probably, okay, whichever is easier for yourself. So the intro and the bit that goes through the part of the verse is this. So the first part, okay, so I'm playing the fifth string open with my thumb. Every time these are all double stops with two fingers, and I'm playing a bass note with each time I do a double stop, which is the A string open on the first part with the thumb. Okay, so it's first fret of the second string along with the second fret on the third string along with the A string. Okay, then we move that up, shape up two frets to the third on the second and the fourth on the third along with the open A again. Okay, then we play the fifth fret of the third string and the second string together along with the open A again. So it's, then we go back to that one, third on the second, fourth on the third, and then back to the first one, first on the second, second on the third. So it's, each time we do that you play the A string with your thumb, okay? Okay, then we play the open A string with the open third and second. So it's, okay, then we play the second on the fourth along with the second on the third and the open A string. Right? So that's fifth string with your thumb, and then these two fingers playing the second on the fourth and the second on the third together. So now you've got slowly. And if you like, when you get to that one, you can give it a wobble if you like. Okay. Okay, slowly. Then hit the A string on its own with your thumb. Okay, so now you've got okay. Now here comes a bit of a tricky bit. I'm playing an F bar chord, okay, and the first part is to play the bottom E string on the first fret with the thumb, and the fourth string and the third string together, so as it does on the bar chord. So the fourth string is on the third fret, third string is on the second fret. So you just play those three strings, thumb on the bottom E, first finger is playing the fourth string, and the second finger is playing the third string. So you got, so far we got and you play fret the bar chord, and those three together, right? Then what you do is you take off the second finger. So you play, the first one is bottom E string first fret along with the fourth string and the third string. Then take the second finger off the bar chord and play the bottom E string along with the third string open and the second string open to lift the bar up. Okay, the bar is lifted up away from the third string and second string. So you got that sound. So that's the bottom E string first fret, open third, open second. The first one was like a normal F bar chord shape, fretted, first on the bottom E, fourth string on the third fret and third string on the second. Then lift the bar up, take the second finger off and play the bottom E string, open first fret, sorry, open third, open second. So now you've got, sorry, do it again, sorry. Look at that. Then put your second finger back on, make the F again. Put the bar back on and play the second on the bottom E string with the second string and the third string. So it's, first one is open, okay, then so now you've got, first one on the F is the full F bar chord, bottom E string along with the fourth string and the third string. Then lift the bar up apart from the first on the sixth, keep that bottom E string covered on the first fret, and lift the second string finger up and play the bottom E string with the third string open and the second string open. Then put the bar chord back together and play the bottom E string with the second and third strings. So it's, and then lift the bar up again and take the second finger off and play the bottom E string along with the open second and the open third twice. So now you've got, and then finally put the bar chord back together and play the bottom E string with the fourth string and the third string. So you got, not too easy, eh? So now we've got, let's just go from that, just do the first bit and we'll go through the second bit again. That's the first one, right? Now go to the F. Let's just go through that F again. So full F bar chord, and you play the sixth string, bottom E string, fourth and third together. Then lift the bar up, take your second finger off and play the bottom E string on the first fret with the open second and open third. So you got, then put the bar back again, make a normal F shape, and play the bottom E string with the second and third. So you got the first one, then the second one, then put the bar back, 4 F shape, bottom E, second and third, then lift the bar up, take your second finger off and play the bottom E along with the third open and the second open twice, and then put the bar back, make the full F shape bar chord, play the bottom E, the fourth and the third. So it's okay. So the whole thing so far, that's probably the hardest part of the song really, I think. Right, so slowly. Okay. And then we do the whole thing twice. So it plays the whole thing twice. Okay, so and then when you've done that, you never 2 hits on the bottom E string. Forgot to mention that. So when you come out of that F, 1, 2, and then we start again. And then the singing kicks in, and on the verse you only play the riff, the first part of the riff, okay? Right, just you don't play the F bit. For the F you play the F bar chord, and I'm just doing, and at the end of the F bit you can lift up the finger, the first finger on the bar, so it's open, bottom E string open, and hammer into it, that sort of thing. So it goes Rhiannon rings like a bell through the night, and wouldn't love to love her, that wouldn't you love to love her, that, right, that sort of thing. Okay, so Rhiannon rings through the bell at night, and wouldn't you love to love her, repeat, takes to the sky and the bird in flight, and who will be her lover. Got that? Okay. Then the next bit is C. I'm playing a 4-fingered C. You could play a normal C if you like, but I like to play C with G in the bass. So that third finger goes up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, and pinky goes to the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Don't have to do that, a normal C will fine, but I like to hit the 6th string as well. So it goes, all my life you never seen an F woman taken by the wind. Alright, so it's, all my life you've never seen a woman taken by the wind. You can do that open B8, that bit on the end of it as well, on that line if you like. It's not essential, but you can do it if you like. All my life you've never seen a woman taken by the wind. Repeat. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Would you ever win? And then we do another verse again, exactly the same as the first verse. She is like a cat in the dark, and then she is the darkness. She would fly like a fire-scarred light, and when the sky is starless, all my life she'd never seen a woman taken by the wind. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Would you ever win? And then it repeats that last line, but slowly. It's alright, so would you can promise in your head? Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Would you ever win? Will you ever win? And then it goes into the chorus. And the chorus is the first part of the intro. That's exactly the same as usual. Sorry. And then you go into Rhiannon, right? Rhiannon. That's all on F, okay? So It's a prolonged F. So it's a Rhiannon. Rhiannon. So it does that 4 times. On the very last Rhiannon, you stay on the F, you don't go to the riff. Okay, so the last one is coming into the last Rhiannon is Rhiannon. Stop, and then we play this. That. Second on the third, open second, first on the second, third on the second, first on the second, open second, second on the third. Okay, so second on the third, open second, first on the second, third on the second, back to the first on the second, open second, second on the third, and then you go back into the normal riff. Just do you like the intro, yeah? That sort of thing, and then basically the song does more of the same again, basically. Okay, so not the easiest thing to play by far, especially if you're on your own and trying to do as much filling in as you can, but it's an interesting exercise. Okay, hope that helps you play that song to some degree. Right at the end of the song, I think it goes out with just playing A minor and F. There's a bit of a guitar solo and they're sort of singing in the background. Just A minor strumming with a hammer on that open second to first on the second. That sort of thing. I think the guitar's playing little fiddly bits and they're singing Rhiannon in the background, and then it fades out, I think. Okay, so there you have it, but the gist of the song I've shown you. Okay. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.